Hi everybody, Cherish Messy Painter here, and as you can tell, this is a really big canvas. This is a 30 by 48. I have not done one this size, at least this year so far, and I am excited. I have actually done at least two that have been bigger than this, but I just haven't done big ones in a while because I have to take over my entire kitchen table and even add another 6-foot table to the side of it for the drips. So it's harder to do that, you know, when you have a busy family. So today I'm doing a flip cup. Actually, I'm going to be doing 2 flip cups. My colors are all Amsterdam paint. I have done a expensive run to my Jerry's Artarama in my state. I love my local Jerry's Artarama. They always have all the Amsterdam paints that I want, Windsor, Newton, Golden, you name it. So my colors are, I mixed my Amsterdam turquoise blue with Amsterdam light blue, and it created this really pretty light teal. And then I have the Amsterdam turquoise blue by itself, and then I have titanium white for a base, and then I have Amsterdam light gold, and then I have Amsterdam pewter. I don't know if I'm going to do a swipe with the titanium white and Australian Floetrol in the middle of this. I have it reserved if I decide to do it that way. I don't think I'm going to need to do that. I'm going to be taking 2 large cups of titanium white and dropping in these different turquoise and blue, turquoise blues, light teal, and the pewter and gold into the full cups of white, and then flipping them. This is my favorite way of painting, is flip cups. Recently I've been doing more Dutch pours because that's just awesome. But I'm doing my original flip cup. I am celebrating 9 years of pouring paint. Yes, 9 years of pouring paint, and I love all 9 years. However, the last 2, I've been a little bit more dedicated to this craft than I previously was when I first started. So, wish me luck on this. I am about ready to make a very big mess.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
Wow, I mean, seriously, the blues, the turquoise in this, and I can't stand saying that word turquoise. I don't know if you guys ever notice I say it funny. The gold disappeared. The gold is only right up there. There's a little bit underneath I can see. It might pop up, but I love this area right here. It kind of reminds me of like a geode. I love this softness right here. I actually tried to stretch that out some more. All right, I have nothing else to say, so you guys will see the dried results. And then I have to varnish it. So, wish me luck that nothing happens to this as it's drying. I really, really love it. Okay, you'll see the dried results in a minute.